If you're over 60, what I'm about to share might completely change how you think about exercise, aging, and strength. For decades, we've all been told the same thing. Just walk more. Walking is enough. It sounds comforting, right? But after more than 40 years in medicine, and after reviewing data from 22 orthopedic surgeons across 9 countries, I can tell you walking alone is not enough to protect your body as it ages. In fact, it might be quietly failing millions of seniors. Let's get straight to the truth. Walking does rebuild the muscle you naturally lose every single year after you turn 60. It doesn't activate those crucial stabilizer fibers that keep you steady on your feet and prevent falls. And because there's no real load or resistance, walking doesn't do much to strengthen your bones. Most importantly, it doesn't train the fast reaction muscles you need to catch yourself if you suddenly trip. This is a huge deal. That's why in Japan, home to some of the world's longest living and healthiest seniors, they don't just rely on walking. They practice something different: isometric holds. These are simple, motionless positions that gently wake up deep muscle fibers, strengthen your joints, restore your balance, and rebuild the strength you've lost over the years. The best part, you don't need any equipment, you don't need a gym membership, and you don't need any previous fitness experience. You can do them right at home. And the science backs this up. Research shows that these simple holds can actually lower blood pressure better than running, increase your stability more effectively than typical balance training, and even rebuild strength faster than many traditional exercises. So today, I'm going to show you the 5 essential Japanese isometric holds. These are the very movements that have helped seniors well into their 80s and 90s regain their strength, their confidence, and their independence. So, if you've ever felt your legs getting a little weaker, if you've noticed that getting up from a chair is a bit harder than it used to be, or if you ever worry, even just a little, about falling, then please, stay with me. These 5 holds could be the most important and life-changing exercises you learn all year. Let's get started. Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll be exploring 5 incredibly effective yet simple exercises that can profoundly change how you feel and move every single day, especially as you get older. As someone who has worked with older adults for decades, I can tell you that improving your posture and strengthening your upper back does so much more than just help you stand straighter. It impacts your breathing, your balance, shoulder comfort, and even the confidence you carry as you move through the world. Let's start with our first exercise, a hidden gem practiced in Japanese wellness centers for over 200 years. It's called the seated wall press. Only now is modern research catching up and explaining why this simple move is so effective. A fascinating study from Osaka University followed a group of adults over 70, and the results were extraordinary. They found that participants increased their upper back strength by a whopping 31%. Even better, reports of shoulder pain dropped by 24%. But perhaps the most important finding was that many of them corrected that forward head posture, which is a major cause of chronic neck pain and reduced mobility. The technique couldn't be simpler. All you do is sit tall with your back flat against a wall. Now, gently press your elbows, your arms, and the back of your head into the wall behind you. That's it. There's no movement, just a steady, intentional hold. Aim to hold it for about 20 seconds, and repeat this 3 times. As you get more comfortable, you can gradually work your way up to 30 or even 45 seconds. I often recommend doing this twice a day, once in the morning to wake up all those important postural muscles, and again in the evening to release the tension that builds up during the day. So many of my patients tell me they breathe better, move with more ease, and even sleep more comfortably after just a few weeks of this. Now, let's move on to our second exercise, which targets an area I worry about most as people age, the hips. This one is called the standing hip anchor. Weak hip stabilizer muscles are the #1 predictor of falls, and we all know that falls can be a leading cause of losing independence. This is why the standing hip anchor is so incredibly important. This gentle isometric hold strengthens all the little muscles around your hip joint. These are the muscles that kick in to keep you steady if you stumble, walk on uneven ground, or step off a curb. A major 12-month study from Nagoya University confirmed what many of us see in our clinics every day. People who practiced this simple isometric hold improved their hip stability by an incredible 42% more than those who were doing traditional movement-based exercises. Not only that, they were able to walk longer distances with less fatigue, and they reported feeling noticeably more secure on uneven surfaces. The exercise itself is simple but incredibly powerful. Stand near a counter or wall for support. Gently lift one leg just a few inches off the floor. Keep your core engaged and press your standing leg firmly into the ground, as if you're anchoring yourself to the floor. Hold this position for about 15 seconds, and then repeat it 3 times on each side. I've personally seen patients in their 80s regain the confidence to walk outdoors again, something they thought they had lost forever, just by practicing this hold consistently. These 2 exercises are proof that you don't need intense, complicated workouts to make a huge difference in your strength, stability, and overall quality of life. Please give it a try, and let me know what you think in the comments below. Let's continue with the next exercise. Let's move on to the third exercise, which targets an area many older adults don't think about until problems start: the chest. As we get older, tightness across the chest and weakness in the upper back can gradually pull the shoulders forward. This restricts your breathing and often leads to neck and shoulder pain. I see this exact pattern every single week in my clinic. That's why the door frame chest opener is such a vital isometric stretch. It helps restore the balance between the front and back of your upper body, improves your posture, and reduces the strain that so many people over 60 feel during daily activities like reaching for something on a shelf, cooking, or even carrying groceries. There was a clinical study in the Journal of Bodywork and Movement Therapies that followed adults with chronic shoulder tightness. They practiced this isometric hold for just 6 weeks. The results were truly impressive. A 53% reduction in shoulder pain and a 37% improvement in shoulder mobility. It's common for patients to tell me, "Doctor, I didn't realize just how much tension I was carrying until this stretch finally released it." So, how do you do it? It's simple. Stand inside a doorway and place your forearms against the frame, with your elbows at about shoulder height. Now, gently step forward until you feel a comfortable stretch across your chest. It shouldn't be painful, just a nice opening sensation. Next, press your forearms into the frame as if you were trying to push the doorway wider. At the same time, squeeze your shoulder blades together. Hold this position for about 20 seconds, breathing normally, and then rest. Aim to repeat this for 3 to 4 rounds. Doing this stretch a few times a day, especially after activities that tend to pull your body forward, like sitting at a desk or driving, can really help open up your chest, improve your breathing capacity, and support much healthier posture. Many of my older patients have told me they feel like they're standing taller and feel lighter in just a few weeks. We call it the seated knee press, and it has become one of my go-to methods for helping patients rebuild knee stability safely right from their own homes. Knee discomfort is extremely common after age 60, and it often begins long before people notice any major limitations in their movement. What many don't realize is that weakened quadriceps, those large muscles at the front of your thigh, are often the culprit. They placed extra stress on the knee joint, and over time, this leads to pain, instability, and difficulty with everyday tasks, like climbing stairs, or even just getting up from a chair. This is where the seated knee press truly shines. A large study from the University of Tokyo involved more than 300 older adults with knee osteoarthritis. They found that a simple isometric knee strengthening routine, just like this one, reduced knee pain by a staggering 49%. On top of that, participants also walked faster and climbed stairs more comfortably after only 4 months. These results are amazing, especially when you consider that the exercise requires no equipment and can be done in just a few minutes. So, here's how to do it safely. Sit on a sturdy chair with your back supported and both of your feet flat on the ground. Slowly extend one leg until it's nearly straight, but be sure to keep a slight bend in the knee to protect the joint. Then, tighten your thigh muscles as if you're gently pushing your heel away from you. Hold that tension for about 10 seconds, breathing normally, and then release. Repeat this for 5 rounds before you switch to the other leg. This controlled, steady contraction strengthens not only the quadriceps but also the tendons and ligaments that support your knee. Over time, many of my patients report that they feel more stable, more confident, and experience noticeably less discomfort during their daily activities. If you practice this consistently, maybe while you're re-watching TV or sitting at the dinner table, you'll begin to build the knee strength that supports your mobility and independence for many years to come. And now for our final exercise, the one I wish every adult over 60 would practice. It's called the wall sit breath hold, a technique that has been refined in Japanese longevity clinics for decades. What makes this movement so incredibly powerful is that it strengthens nearly every muscle group in your lower body without placing any stress on the joints. Researchers at Tokyo University conducted a fascinating study. They followed more than 500 older adults for 3 years. They found that those who practiced this isometric wall sit daily reduced their risk of falling by an incredible 63%. Not only that, but they also improved their balance scores by more than 40%. These aren't just numbers on a page. These are real-life changes that can help someone stay independent, avoid serious injury, and continue living the lifestyle they love. So, how does it work? First, you stand with your back against the wall. Then, you slide down into a shallow sitting position. You don't need to go too deep, just enough to feel your leg muscles activate. Then, you combine this hold with a specific breathing pattern. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold your breath for 4 seconds, and then exhale slowly for 6 seconds. This pattern is key because it helps calm the nervous system, lowers blood pressure, and teaches your muscles to stay strong while your body remains relaxed. I once had a 78-year-old patient who really struggled to get up from her dining chair. After just 3 weeks of consistent wall sit practice only, about a minute each session, she came to me and said, "Doctor, I don't feel afraid of falling anymore." Her confidence improved just as much as her physical strength did. I recommend practicing this exercise once in the morning to wake up your muscles, and then once again in the evening to release tension from the day. With consistency, you'll notice that your legs, your balance, and your overall stability feel remarkably different within just a few weeks. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on healthy aging. So, what does all of this mean for you? The message is crystal clear. These 5 simple stretches combine ancient Japanese wisdom with decades of modern scientific research, and the results are truly remarkable. By practicing them consistently, many older adults see real, measurable improvements in almost every part of their daily lives. First, you support your posture, which helps you stand taller and breathe more freely. You stabilize your hips, making walking and climbing stairs feel safer and much steadier. You can reduce that nagging shoulder or knee pain that once made every movement a struggle. You also strengthen your lower body, so getting out of chairs, lifting groceries, or even catching yourself if you stumble becomes so much easier. And maybe most importantly, you enhance your balance, protecting yourself from falls, which we all know become more dangerous as we age. What I love most about these stretches is how accessible they are. You don't need any special equipment, no gym membership, and no intense sweaty workouts. Just 15 minutes a day, done gently and mindfully, can make all the difference. If you're just getting started, don't feel overwhelmed. Just pick the one stretch that feels most relevant to you right now. If your posture is a concern, begin with the seated wall press. If your hips feel a bit unstable, try the standing hip anchor. If your knees give you trouble, start with the simple seated knee press. And if overall strength and balance are your main goals, you can work your way up to the wall sit breath hold. But above all, please remember this: consistency is so much more important than intensity. The longest living elders in Japan didn't get strong through extreme, punishing effort. They built their strength through simple, gentle movements, repeated every single day with patience, with intention, and with deep respect for their bodies. As you move forward, try adding new stretches gradually. For the first 2 weeks, just practice one stretch each day. Then, for weeks 3 and 4, increase it to 3 different stretches. By week 5 and beyond, you'll be doing all 5 stretches in just 15 minutes a day. I really encourage you to share your journey with our community right here in the comments. Which stretch will you start with today? Have you ever tried isometric exercises like these before? What changes did you notice? Your stories can inspire so many others who are just starting out on the same path. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to The Healthy Path. We release new science-based, senior-focused health videos every day, and I would be honored to guide you through each step toward a stronger, steadier, and more confident life. Thanks for watching.